Okay. Um, Continuing, this is a playlist as you know. So to continuation from the last video, this is the NFT details page. From the breadcrumb, you know that this is the details page in collection, the collection name, and then the token ID. This is the second from the collection, as you can see here. A second, yeah. On the collection view, like I told you, I show this like this more from collection. So this more like a part collection view. Like I told you, you can filter. This is default view, which just lists everything accordingly: one, two, three, four, five. You can filter by price if anyone is listed, but none is listed, so it's still like you see the same. You can filter by rarity, so you can filter by rarity, and then this arranges in order of the most rare to the most common. As you can see now, the most rare is still the first one. The next one is 3, as you can see. The next one is the 4. Next one is the fifth, and then the second. This one we're currently on is actually the most common. As you can see, the rank is 5/5. So the ranks are also there. You can clear this filter. There are other filters here, so you can also filter from there. I mean, there. Let me just show you. Let me just show you. Here is just like a quick link, default price rarity. So the other filters by here. If your collection is a large one, you can filter by the name or ID. This is just a five item collection, so that's why you can like see everything at a go. I'm going to open the comrades collection, so you also see that rarest to common, common to rarest. You get all that. You can do that if listed, if auctioned only. You can filter by trades. All these are tests. All these are tests. So this is amazing. This is amazing. I mean, you guys are going to so much enjoy this. um, Raw metadata for this particular token. As you can see, it's an MP4, is a video file. That's why it's you're able to play it. You can, I mean, this is amazing. I mean, we're going beyond just static NFT, static images. You can see the activities so far. All these are tests that I've done for different tokens, not just ETNs. Like tested everything. You get view, like transfer. Um, so let me go straight to the features of this page. These are attributes. You can see the attributes here. You can see the rank. This is the most common. That's why I showed you 5/5. You can, let's go to another one. Let's just open another one. Let's go to the most rare, right? Which is the number one. Let's go to number one. So you can also view like the token URI here to be sure that on chain. It's not just UI showing you what you don't want to see. You can see everything is same everything, every single thing. You can open this and then it takes you to the video on chain on IPFS. We're using Pinata, so that's why you have our host, our the endpoint here. So so this is the first one. You see the most rare. You can see the rank is 1/5. As you can see, 1/5, the score of 4. So everything, the rarity scores and the trade scores, rather everything in the percentage, everything is done and automated for on the platform. Then here is the view for the NFT assets. You can easily navigate to the collection page here. You can copy the contract address of the collection here. You have the type. This is an ERC 721. The royalty percentage for this, if you want to sell it, is 10%. The rarity score for the rank, and the creator, the the wallet who created this. So you can also, we're going to move to that on the profile aspect of it. So you can change your wallet address to like custom nickname also. This hasn't changed the whole. So this is the correct owner, but this is the creator. I hope you understand the difference. The creator, the person who created the contract, who like the initiator of this collection rather. Then this is the current owner. So the owner can be the creator, can be both the creator and the owner, but the owner can always change. I mean, like, if you sell this now, you can be like a sell it to a different owner. This will change. You get the point. Whichever one. And if you are the owner, you have other options. You'll be able to transfer. So you can, even if you're not the owner, you'll be able to report these NFTs too, and it will be flagged, and you will not be traded maybe for like theft or so. There's a collection wide report too, so you can report like a collection too. But yeah, this is it. Let me switch to this owner wallet so you get to understand and see the full view. Please, like I said, I might not be the best. I might mix up. I'm not perfect when it comes to lecturing. It's not my strongest point, so you have to. My apologies for that. So if you have any questions or you need some more clarification, please drop a comment. Don't just assume. Drop a comment, and I will answer the question for you. So I've switched to the wallet that owns this. So you can see what's now the wallet that you can now sell. You get now you can transfer. You can also transfer this NFT to another recipient, right? And you'll be able to do that. So that is easy peasy. You can sell, you can still report. I mean, you are but I don't know why your video now you want to report, but maybe theft or something, or a fraud or something, your wallet seed phrase, something else. But you can, I mean, the feature is there for everybody. You can share this page. I mean, that is the general stuff that any website has now. So you can sell. So we have the fixed price and then the auction. So you can, this is going to be the next thing we are going to move into. You can put for a fixed price, you can put up for auction. ETN currently primarily just going to be ETN, but I mean we tested other tokens. You can list with other tokens that we are going to accept. You can put this start time. Start time is optional. If you don't put start time, that means it's now. You mean it should just be, the start time should be now. End time too is optional. If you don't put end time, then there is no end time. You are listing forever. But don't be scared that why will you list forever? If you list forever, you can cancel it at any time. But that option is there. You can list. But if you want like a fixed time, you can select the time, 5 minutes, 1 hour tomorrow, or you can come here pick like the date. This is super flexible, super handy. Pick the time, particular time. Select same thing with the end time, and then you list. But we are going to go about that in the next video. Okay, well let's just let's go back. Let's go about that in the next video. Let's go about it so we don't make this video too long. So yeah, this is all about this simple NFT page view. Okay, let me show you. This is for ERC 1155. Let me show you that for let me show you that for ERC. This is for ERC 721. Let's type. Let me show you that for ERC 1155. Let me go to the profile. Let's look for any ERC 1155. I'm going to come to the profile view. I mean, you get, so don't worry, this is amazing. So the badges are also there. So this is our ERC 1155. It's a little bit different. So let's click on ERC 1155 token for us to open that. Or the test we have for this one's are static images. So I like the way this test is all going out, because it's not the one. I'm not telling you it's just videos. So you can see the type of this one is ERC 1155. Then remember in the ERC 721 you have creator and then owner. But ERC 1155, the multiple owners, there can be multiple owners to one token. So you click on this, you see all the owners and how many of this token, how many editions of this token that they own. Yeah, you see Anubis owns 8, then another wallet owns 2, right? So you can see that this is the creator of that same. So you can see that slight difference. And for ERC 1155 is going to be a drop. Is a drop. The way it's been meted on Panthart is going to be a drop. So let's say more on that too. But let me just explain that. So by the time you watch this video, please make sure you go to the playlist to understand everything. There's also going to be a documentation. I'm going to like going to be a documentation where you can read. If you don't want to watch, if you are the reading type, you like to read, you can go through the documentation. So the way it's implemented on ERC 115 is implemented on Panthart is going to be a drop. So once you create it, you can say, okay, there are going to be like 100 editions of this. That is 100 of this token. So people will have to like mint it, and then if you are the owner, if you are the creator, you'll be able to withdraw it. We are connected with the creator wallet. That's why you're able to see this withdraw here, similar to that of the ERC collection on the collection page. So if you click on withdraw, you can withdraw the proceeds from this contract if you are the owner. But if you're not the owner, obviously you will not be able to see that. You can transfer, or the transfer for ERC 115 is going to be slightly different. For ERC, for one is one, ERC 721, you just put the wallet address, because it's just one is one, and then you send. But for ERC 121, you own 2 of these. This wallet owns 2 of these. So how many do you want to send? Do you want to send just one of the 2, or you want to send the 2? You get, you put the wallet, you put the quantity, and then send. Same thing with the sell and the auction. You put the amount you want to. Let's say you put 100, then you put the quantity. Is it just one for 100? If it's 2, it means it's going to be 200. You get the math. Also different currencies too. It's going to be TTS like that. So you can set the time. I've already spoken about this, but more is going to be coming on listing and auctioning. So yeah, just show you the difference, but every other thing is going to be the same. The trades, um, the activities, the raw metadata. You can also view it here too. Everything is just seamless. Everything is just seamless. So yeah, that will be all for this on the NFT details page. um, Next video we'll talk about listing. So yeah, take care.